How to add link to TikTok bio. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. Not just link, but a clickable link you can add and use on your TikTok bio. This process is easy, it works for all devices. So guys, ensure you watch this video to the very end, like the video and hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is to go to your profile page. Then if I click on the edit profile button, this will take me to my profile where I can see the bio. But if I click on the bio, I can only add link as a normal text. When someone click on it, nothing happen. You can't be taken to the link page or the website, and this can be so annoying. So guys, to add clickable link to your TikTok bio, here is what you can do. Still on your profile page, tap on the three horizontal line. This opens a menu. Select settings and privacy. In the settings page, what you want to do is to tap on the account or manage account, depending on the one you are provided with. It's always in the first option. Now in the manage account page, tap on switch to business account or pro account. You want to switch to a business account because business account have lots of features available where you can even add link to your bio. Now follow the steps as seen. Tap on next again, next. You can choose anything, just choose what best describe you, what you want in your business. Doesn't really matter what you choose, you can just choose anything. I'll go for beauty. Tap on next. Okay, you can add your email address if necessary, or you just skip the process. Let's keep this. It might take a while. Okay, your business account has been set up. You have switched from a personal account to a business account on TikTok. All right, now let's go back to our profile. This is your business. Let's go back to our profile page and tap on the edit profile. Here you can see add your website. Formerly the personal account, there's no space to add the website, but now you can see where you can add your website. Click on it to add your bio or any website in your TikTok bio. This might take a while. Now set up your business account properly, because that's the only way you can add a website or a link in your bio. Get started. Might take a while. You can see what you can do on your TikTok business. Tap on this and get started. And here you are, you fill in the necessary information, your business name, the country, your address, your state, city, and you can see below, you can see where you can add your website. Once you've done this, you tap on next and you can add any link or website in your TikTok bio, provided you have a business account. And that is it guys. This is a very easy way you can do that. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys. Bye.